In this video, I will expose all those iPhone settings which are consuming your iPhone battery right under your nose without your knowledge. Because whenever we ask for advice regarding how to make our iPhone battery last longer, the most common advice we receive, that is use low power mode or just reduce your brightness, etc, etc. These are all common settings and almost every iPhone user know about these things. But in this video, we'll cover 11 iPhone settings about which even I was not aware that they might be consuming battery on my iPhone. So let's start the video and cover them one by one. Number 1, allow location access only while using. So basically applications like Facebook, Instagram, Maps, etc. they require your location access. That time you make sure that the setting which you set, that is only while using. So basically whenever you open the application, that time only that application will use your iPhone or use your location services from your iPhone. Otherwise, if you keep at always allow, that time in the background that particular app will keep on using your iPhone for a location access. That time surely in the background it will start consuming your battery. Also it will damage your privacy. So make sure that it will be only while using. Number 2, use aeroplane mode in low or no signal areas. Why I'm saying this? So just imagine you are traveling, hiking, or any place where you know that there is no network. That time what happens? Your iPhone will constantly keep on trying to search for a network. In that, it will always try to search for a good network for your iPhone. That time continuously in the background your iPhone battery is being used, right? So to avoid that, just flip your aeroplane mode on your iPhone for a time being. So what happens? It will consume your iPhone battery. Also, it will stop your iPhone from searching for networks unrequired, right? So try that. It will surely help you in saving your iPhone battery. Number 3, disable live activities for unused application. For example, currently applications like Blinkit, Swiggy, Uber, Scores, Timer, etc. etc. they all have a feature of live activity where on your iPhone lock screen or your dynamic island you can easily track your parcels or your scores or your timer, right? It is good, but trust me, this feature will be consuming highest battery from your iPhone. So I would say that if some settings or some applications, if you don't require live activities, if it is not that important, just go ahead and disable that. For that, go to settings, open the application, and here there is an option for live activities. Just go ahead and disable it. Next thing that will be turn off significant location. From setting or a feature point of view, this might look very small, but trust me, it might be consuming lot of battery from your iPhone. First of all, let's see how to find out. Go to settings, privacy, open the location services, and here open system services, and here is your significant location. You can go ahead and just disable it on your iPhone. But before that, listen this. So your significant location is used by Apple for your optimized battery charging on your iPhone. If you know, your battery charging stops at 80% on your iPhone mostly. But there are also two things that your iPhone battery will charge as per your charging habits on your location, that is your home and your workplace. So to identify your workplace and your home, that time your iPhone continuously tracks your location so that on that particular location it will optimize your battery charging, right? So this takes lot of continuous tracking of your locations, and surely in the background it will consume lot of battery on your iPhone. So always advisable, if this feature is not that important to you, just go ahead and disable it. Next one, that is disable Hey Siri. First of all, do one thing, go to settings, open Siri and search, and here turn off listen for Hey Siri. So basically what happens whenever you enable Hey Siri, that time Siri will be always active in the background, and in the background it will always stay active to listen to your command, that is Hey Siri, and this will eventually keep your iPhone mic and processor active. That will consume your iPhone battery in large scale. So always better to disable Hey Siri on your iPhone. Next thing, that will be kill or disable keyboard haptics. I know while typing, those vibrations on your iPhone keyboards feels really great and very nice, right? But in the background or behind the scene, it is always consuming your iPhone battery for each vibration. So just do one thing, go to settings, sounds and haptics, and here keyboard feedback and haptics. Just disable that, because these haptics might be very good while typing or experience. Sometimes it is good but not always. Disable 5G when not needed. Here I said when not needed. Okay. So what happens? 5G networks are the highest for battery consumption. Even Apple mentions it here in your iPhone settings. If you see, whenever you go to settings, cellular, and here data option, here you see voice and data, and here if you see, you see that 5G, and if below your iPhone mentions that 5G might be consuming higher battery on your iPhone, because your 5G radios are more power hungry and rarely give you huge speed sometimes, right? Because as per your location the speed depends. So what I will say, for example, for me personally, whenever I am playing games or watching YouTube, only these two things are require high speed internet. Otherwise, for normal browsing, chatting, I don't need a 5G speed or a 5G networks. That time it's a advice, whenever not needed, just go ahead and be on your 4G or LTE network for a better battery saving. Next one, that is set mail to manual fetch, not automatic. So here let me explain you how it works. If you are using iPhone mail application, imagine that time someone sends you a mail, and in first situation you will receive that mail immediately, instantly on your iPhone. That is called as a automatic fetching. And manual fetching, how it works, here you don't get any notification. Here manually you have to open the application and refresh the application. That time only all the mails that you have been received will be shown in the mail application. So basically what is happening here, in the automatic fetching, your iPhone is constantly refreshing your servers for the new mails. That time in the background continuously it is using your internet, your iPhone battery to contact the server for refreshing it and fetching the new mails. So by obvious it is consuming your iPhone battery. So manual is more better than your automatic. So just do one thing, go to settings, open mail, open accounts, and under fetch new data set to manual. Because if you not that important mails or not a official one, just do it manually, because manual fetching will save more battery on your iPhone only if it is not that important for you. Next one, reduce motion and UI effects. I know the iPhone animations or the effects, they look really good, really cool and eye catching. Yes, I agree, but after some time they are not that important. So if you wish, you can disable that, cut a few animations and effects, so there is less pressure on your GPU usage, so less battery might be consuming. So do one thing, for this do one thing, go to settings, open accessibility, go to motion, and here just enable reduce motion. It will automatically disable all the motions on your iPhone. And the last one, that is turn off analytics and app tracking. So first go to settings, and here tap on privacy and security, and here tap on analytics and improvements and all off. So just disable that, because this data is captured by Apple or used by Apple for their research. For you it is not that required. So you can just go ahead manually disable tracking across the applications in settings under each applications, right? So Instagram, many applications, just go ahead and disable tracking, because tracking means constantly running your UI in the background on your iPhone. That will eventually consume battery, right? Just avoid that and disable it. And lastly, one bonus tip: keep an eye on Apple AI. I know AI is beautiful and charming, but more the AI, more battery consumption. If you are not that AI guy, just disable that on your iPhone so you can easily optimize or save your battery on your iPhone. Okay, that's it. I hope these few settings or these hidden settings on your iPhone will surely open your eyes, and surely you will take some action on your iPhone. Also, please comment below if any settings you know that might be very helpful for every iPhone user, or I should cover in coming videos. Okay, please comment. Until then, thank you very much. See you. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe. Bye bye.